Today we're going to the Grand Canyon and the Hoover Dam.
We create our electricity. So I mentioned earlier that some of the parts weigh 550 tons. That is the part that I'm referring to. So when it's inside of its housing, it spins at a speed of 180 rotations per minute. So again, that's the weight of two Statue of Liberties, 550 tons at 180 RPM. So it's an amazing amount of force necessary to get these things moving.
Okay, so I'm back in the hotel room at the moment. We went to the Hoover Dam, which was awesome. You've seen the footage. And then we tried to go to the Grand Canyon. It's something called like Skyview. We ended up in some Indian reservation, like 2 hours away from where we were supposed to be. Yeah, it was a bad deal. And yeah, so we're probably gonna try to go later this week when we get a chance. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one tomorrow.